Hey guys, today I'm going to actually do an oil change myself, and I'm probably gonna struggle, and you will see my struggles. Okay.
What's up, guys? Mommy's gonna do an oil change.
We need to find a secure spot under the car, which is this part basically. And we're just gonna lift this up. What's the right way to do this? This doesn't feel right, but it's working. It feels like we're supposed to have something else like connected here and then you go like this. I don't know. Hashtag BPG. These are hair dyeing gloves. Oil is like dyeing hair. Okay, so we're supposed to loosen it a little bit first. I don't know if that's the right size. I don't know which way I'm supposed to go. It's too strong for me. Okay, so this is too hard for me. I'm gonna need some male assistance. So, women can't do it all. Whoa. Oh shit. God damn it. Gotta start over. Broke People's Guide. Fail.